Taylor, and we are back with another video. By the title of this video, you already know what we're here to do. Vision boards, period, point blank. So I will say that this is not my first time doing a vision board. And as we go into 2022, I feel like it's always good to do a vision board. And I'm gonna tell you why. So this was my vision board for 2021, okay? So now that we are going into 2022, I just feel like a lot has changed, a lot is different. This is example for sure of like one of my vision boards, but I try to do one every year because it's always good to bring the new year in doing something that you really need to think about, really need to focus about. So before I did my vision board, I made sure I wrote stuff down that was important to me. So traveling is important to me. My family is important to me. Losing more weight is important to me. Not that I already haven't lost weight, but just being happy is important to me. My peace, my sanity, the love that I have for myself, God, like things that are very important to me. I took the time to write all those down and really sit down in what I wanted for this upcoming year. And I'm going to put out everything I want to on this board. Okay, so let's get started in the video. And yeah, so we are back. Just looking at this board just kind of makes me want to cry. But that's because I feel like the year ahead of me, I'm just really excited for. A lot of stuff that I put on my boards is pictures. I want to try something a little different this year. So I did put a lot more pictures than I would usually. I'm going to still use lettering for sure. I went and bought lettering, but I'm going to use more pictures because that's kind of what I want to represent on my vision board. When you're doing your vision board, it's all you. This is all what you want, what you see for yourself, how far you've come, and how far you want to continue to go. And I just feel like you make this personal. So this shouldn't be a group activity. This should be something that's personal, something that you can really think about. I put a lot of quotes on here as well. Like this one says, keep going because you didn't come this far to only come this far. Oh, I'm gonna say that one more time for the people in the back. Keep going because you didn't come this far to only come this far. Okay. And like after looking at my past boards, it really, that saying would help me a day that I was just feeling bleh. So really make these personal, really make these close to your heart. And let's get into it. So I am gonna glue these down. Like I said, I'm going to put letters on it. I'm gonna deck it out. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Okay? All right. So clearly I'm kind of loving the voiceover thing. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe and show your girl some love because it takes a lot to do these videos. So just, support me while I give y'all some good tea. Now, when I was doing the vision board, I was making sure everything was lined up how I wanted it to be. Most definitely was cutting stuff. I got the board from the dollar store. Cheap, $1. As well as like the photos and stuff like that. I went to Walmart and printed them off. Now, this is the tip. If you go to Walmart, print out the pictures and just wait an hour, like go do some shopping, go do what you need to do, and then just come back because it was literally like 9 cents a photo. I end up like printing like 30 photos, so y'all do the math. Y'all better at that than I am. So just make sure like you put all of you and all of what you have into this vision board. The supplies and stuff like that I think I got from either Walmart or Target. Target is my favorite place to be, but certain stuff like that, glue sticks, all that great and jazz. So I was going around there. You can see I was trying to cut off the edges, but don't do that. Cut the photos first and then put it on the board. Don't try to glue the pictures and then cut them because they would not come out right. I didn't like it like that, so I had to like switch the actual pictures out, which was a little ghetto. But that's besides the point. So I do appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And just keep watching for the final shaboing boing. I am back. This is the finished product. Like I said, this year I really wanted to put more more pictures than I did last year. Just because I wanted to try it. So I put things that I want done. The pictures on here all have a meaning to them. This is, I know you probably have seen this, but this is my YouTube little thingy, and this is one of my thumbnails, and these are my workout pictures and things that really mean stuff to me. So all these pictures have a meaning, and all of these pictures go very well together on what my goals and my dreams are for the upcoming year. And I absolutely am so ready for what 2020 can bring me. So make sure you do everything about this is for you. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.